Hi, another day, another surgery. So, our case for today is a special case. So, our case today is stem cell therapy. So, regenerative, no? Stem cell. So, dito po tayo sa cell port, no? So, dito po ang ating cell port room, no? Ang ating pong here's where we do our stem cell treatment. No, yung ating PRP is a form of regenerative treatment. So today, what we're going to do is stem cell. So we will be getting the fats. No, I will get the fats. I will do liposuction. Then ipaprocess po natin yan. No, I'm also going to get the blood. Then ipaprocess din. Then we're going to give it back to the patient with the stem cell na po yun. No? Stem cell therapy. So, ang ating pong patient for today is also special. No? Our patient is a former congressman of Parañaque. Lone District of Parañaque before. Before ganun pa, Lone District. Isa lang pong distrito ang Parañaque. So, he is the congressman before. Congressman Eduardo Ed Shalcita. No? So, mamaya po, after the procedure, he will be speaking about the treatment. So, that's it. See you at the OR. Cellport, Philippines. SBF. Hi, so we're done. We're done with the stem cell therapy of former congressman Ed Shalcita. No? So we did the liposuction. We harvest the fats. Then pinrases po natin together with the PRP, the blood. Then in-inject po natin yan sa direct IV. No? Then we place something din po sa face. No? So ayan na po si Kong. No?
Hello.
Say something po.
Thank you. Thank you very much to Toots. This is not my first time with Toots. This is my second time, and I feel much younger and stronger every time I have this. No, you should get it.
So I will see Congressman after a week. No, follow up po after a week. We also did the cell count. No, papakita po natin yung viable na cells na nakuha natin kay Congressman through the cell counter. So, papakita po natin yan. So, that's it. Another day, another surgery.
Thank you, Doc. Toots.